Hi, I'm Laz from Event Reception. Let's make an event floor plan on a mobile phone on the fly. Select your venue from your venue list and tap OK to load the venue's plain floor plan. From here, you can either load a ready-made setup or create one from scratch. Let's make one from scratch to see how easy it is. Before we start, you can tap and hold with 3 fingers to move around the floor plan and use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Tap on the reset button to reset zoom, and let's go to set the desired space between tables at, say, 2 meters horizontally and 2 meters vertically. Now select the table you want to use and simply tap and drag to fill the area with the round table selected at a 2-meter distance between them. Now let's pick a different table, a bigger one, and again tap and roll to find the area with a 2-meter vertical and horizontal distance. And for the lower part of our floor plan, let's use the green oval tables, always having a 2-meter distance between them. We've slightly misplaced them, so let's adjust to where we want them exactly. We quickly zoom in to see that they're okay. Yes, everything looks good. So let's add a set of conference chairs here. Click on the menu to turn on the alignment guides to help align the second set of conference chairs we want to add. Tap to place in the floor plan and adjust with the help of the guides. Now we want to add a piano to the floor plan, so let's go to Staging, select the piano and tap to insert in the floor plan. Let's turn it at an exact angle from the Properties window and move it to where we want it exactly. Tap to reset zoom and look at the whole floor plan again. All we're missing is a U-table at the top right of the floor plan, so tap to select it and place it in the floor plan. Move the floor plan a little bit and zoom in to easily use the turn handle to turn the U-table manually. Tap to reset and let's now quickly number the tables. Tap on the menu, select Numbering, and simply take your finger over the tables in the order you want to number them. When you're done, tap on the table numbering window and let's see how everything looks. Yes, it looks good. Let's now delete tables 8 and 9 here, as there was a last-minute change. And that's it. In less than 4 minutes, you made a great floor plan from scratch on your mobile phone that's available to your clients and colleagues in real time. Pretty cool. Contact us at info@eventreception.com to set up your account now. Thanks for watching.